Hey yo peoples, I did something on the Vita. I changed every single texture on the entire Vita OS to a trans flag. Why? Cause I changed my settings window to a trans flag, and then my friend asked me what would happen if you changed every texture to on the Vita to a trans flag, and I just thought that was too funny of an idea to not do. So here we go. Changed every single texture on the entire OS to a trans flag. So you can see up here at the top you have a trans flag for the barrel at the top. The battery indicator is very hard to see, but it's also a trans flag. The notifications, also a trans flag. Uh, I've also gone ahead and set a background on all of my pages to a trans flag because why not? Here's an interesting thing. So when you select objects, there's this blue square, and the reason for this is because this is actually handled with a selection mask, right? It's a selection mask that is like the shape of this, and it's like red and black, and like the red's what parts are supposed to be selected. But when you change the entire thing to a trans flag, it includes the selection mask, so now the selection mask doesn't make any sense, so it's just a square. But there's some weird lines in it that are, interesting. But yeah, you can see, you know, this little theme button, there's this little plus button, which has also got trans colors on it. The carries button as well. Um, the back button, you know, transparent textures, pretty nice. I didn't see it, but if I go here, you get this. You get this. You get, yeah. There's some other pretty fun stuff. If you see these folder icons, every single icon actually has a trans overlay, and that is because there is a bubble overlay that is used to use these, and it's now appears with a trans flag, so instead of overlaying the bubble icon, it just overlays the trans flag. Um, And it's pretty funny. It even happens if I go like into here and then go into information. Yeah, it suddenly becomes a trans flag over the top of it. This happens for every single app, by the way. Like if you have like a completely white background, which I actually have a few of somewhere. Like if I went and viewed information on this, okay, that one doesn't actually show the icon now. Go figure. Uh, but yeah, every single icon you view information on it becomes a trans flag. If I open up the quick menu, there's this is quite converted. Okay. Yeah, so menu to get this. This is honestly pretty great. Uh, so let's open up some apps. Let's open mini settings for QA. Uh, alright. PlayStation Network, debug settings. Nice settings right here. PlayStation Network, waiting for my avatar. It's pretty great. Like I finally found a way to make custom avatars, and this is what I do. Um, Alright, title store. I don't think PlayStation Store. I think PlayStation Store. Yeah, PlayStation Store is just downloaded when you I also don't have a PSN account on here, which kind of limits what we can do. So this icon up here, I think is hard coded because it didn't get changed. It's like the only icon in the entire thing that get changed. It might be a GIM actually, and maybe that's why it didn't get changed. But yeah. This is what the browser looks like. This is what the browser settings look like. This is what the keyboard looks like. We just go to beta tricks. Can we go to beta tricks with XYZ and see what an actual page looks like, potentially? Alright, here is the mouse cursor. Looks pretty great. Alright, and yep, what do you think of that? Looks pretty nice. Trophies. This is the Trophies app. Let's open this up. This is what the Trophies app looks like. I can't sync a server because I don't have a PSN account on here. You see the actual trophy icons? You know, instead of platinum or bronze or whatever, you just have transfags, and even the hidden icon is a transfag. This is great. This just looks amazing. Alright, friends. Right, this needs a PSN account. I need to sort that out, but the whole freaking, login code thingy that they added, it's stopping me from accessing anything, because they'll put past Sony to, in an attempt to make, a genuine attempt to make accounts more secure, end up breaking accounts altogether. Yeah, so messages. What does messages look like? Alright. Messages looks pretty nice. Pouty. Pouty's still, red, but has a trans flag in the middle where instead of an actual thing. PS4 Yink. I think this is one of the few that has hard-coded textures. Yeah. This has hard-coded textures, but like hard-coded into the, executable, so it doesn't actually work. Oh, you guys can't see this, but my video just be-started. Awesome. Cool. The OS just crashed. Technical difficulties. Come on, come back, you piece of crap. Okay, there we go. It's back. I wish you guys could see the loading animation when like it starts up, because it's pretty funny as well. But it kind of seems to record it that early on. Alright. We're in PS4, so PlayStation Store again has hard-coded textures. Parental controls. Alright. Enter the password for parental control. Alright, this is a pretty nice. If you gotta say this is pretty nice right here. You know, games. Some pretty nice rating labels, honestly. That's my favorite rating. Yep. Iteration. Rated trans for everyone. Yep, this is some pretty cool stuff. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, it's amazing. Alright, this is change your password. And this one is about PlayStation Network, which of course opens up a browser, which looks pretty neat. So that's parental controls. Oh, let's look at videos. Alright. Video player is actually not that bad. I could use this video player. It's got the music player. Also, you notice even the progress bar has got a trans flag inside it. It's pretty great. Alright, songs. What's on here? Oh, there's quite a lot of stuff on here, I guess. Let's scroll down a bit. Just trying to think, what could I play that won't be copyright matched. The Neptunia Virtual Stars soundtrack, probably. Actually, no, that's a bad idea because a lot of those are like actual music. I guess Infinitely Animated will work. Yeah, this is what the music here looks like. You have to cover out. Alright, photos. Let's go to the gallery. This is what the Photos app looks like. Camera images. I love these things here where it tells you the amount of time certain things are. An email. I love this Gmail logo. I'm not gonna set this up, but yeah. Calendar. There also has a few hard-coded textures in here, it seems. But yeah. Content manager. This is a fun one. So let's first go manage content on memory card. Alright, and you see the progress bar of how much space is being used. Let's check out PSVita. Alright, and every icon here has got the trends overlay instead of the bubble overlay, which is pretty fun. Let me set out QCMA. Actually, I was gonna try to use the USB, which I'm using to stream the video. So that won't work. No, Neo. Neo's a funny one as well. Alright, check this out. I have no idea why it does that, but the show is up for a few seconds. This isn't gonna work because I don't have PSN, but yeah. It wouldn't work anyway because Neo shut down. But yeah. Alright. PSV Remote PA. I'm gonna check out Cross Controller first, actually. This is the Cross Controller app. It's pretty great. Let's go with Package Installer. This is Package Installer. This is Settings, which I apparently can open. Okay. PSC Remote PA. It's a PSC Remote PA. That's also apparently broken now. Can I open anything now? Is everything broken now? Wait, can I just... Did it somehow break the OS? No, I can open other things. That's weird. What kind of PSC Remote PA settings? I don't know. Oh, now I can open settings. Okay. That was weird. There's the settings menu. And you see, it's quite cool. Pretty awesome. I guess I can try PSV mode now. No? Why did settings start working but not PS? Is it because of how much stuff? Oh! And the OS just crashed again. Cool. One of my plugins is seriously breaking my Vita. Alright, let's hit start then, I guess. And then let's just deactivate that. And then I'll reactivate it when it boots up again. We can continue. Okay, there we go. If I have to click on it, if I have to open up the settings, click activate like 100 times. Alright. So yeah, PS3 Remote Play. I don't know how it works. So PS3 Remote Play, looks like these icons are pretty gouge compared to what's actually shown because they're all just white. So yeah, that's it. That's every app I think I've looked at. Actually, no, there's one I haven't looked at, actually. And that is the panoramic camera. I actually haven't shown you what the camera itself looks like, so let's do that real quick. So I don't think you can actually see anything. Well, there we go. Okay, yeah. So this is what the camera looks like. It's pretty cool. All right. Now the panoramic camera. Sure, you can use location data. This is the panoramic camera. So I personally prefer this to the old panoramic camera. This is much better. So like saying, so anyone knows that we get. Okay, cool. We do get this, so we got panoramic modes. Oh, these are pretty funny too. These are, yeah. Oh, we haven't checked out Welcome Park actually. Where's Welcome Park? Here it is. I don't think much will be different in here, honestly. Oh yeah, you can't see that MP trophy notification, but it's pretty funny. Yeah, I think Welcome Park won't actually be changed much, if at all. Alright, well, yeah, that's it. That's it basically. Every video but every texture is a trans flag. Actually, there's a few other things I haven't looked at, like PSP emu, for example. That might be different. Oh right, no activation. Need to fix that. Actually, there's nothing on PS Mobile that would be interesting to look at. Actually, there is, I guess, this. Intellectual property notices. Yeah, I wasn't really expecting much. What else? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's everything in here. I mean, some pretty fun stuff, but yeah, they've changed every texture to a trans flag. Every single one. Except for this one, for some reason, and the hard-coded one, so I can decide PS4 Mopie and inside PS Store. But yeah, aside from those, every single texture is now a trans flag. Even the selection masks, which is kind of hilarious. But yeah, this is the best way to use a PS Vita. I think this makes the system just look so much better. Like you always hated how the system looks, right? Well, this is good. This is good. This is way better. So yeah, I guess you can see the trans over here pretty well on this one, yeah, because it's basically white. So yeah, that's it. I had to know what it would look like, and this is the result. So I hope someone else finds this as funny as I do. The only thing I wish I did now is also changed every single text to say trans rights. That would be pretty cool, but you know. this is enough for now. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty fun. Oh, I just got a notification. I just got a notification. That's funny. Let's just delete it. Alright. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Actually, I don't know if you guys could see the, I don't think about it. You guys probably couldn't see the address, but probably you guys couldn't see the keyboard. So if I open the keyboard on, in Shell, you should be able to see it. Yeah, there we go. There's the keyboard. Yeah, thanks for watching, I guess. Goodbye.